Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop WhatsApp group calls. So, group calls on WhatsApp can get out of hand fast. Here's the latest 2026 way to stop or reduce them. So, to start, click on your profile at the bottom right. Now, in here, what you're going to do is to tap on privacy. Next, once you're on privacy, you need to scroll down and tap on calls. And in here, you'll see silence unknown callers. So if you turn this on, calls from unknown numbers will be silenced. So they will still be shown in the calls tab and in your notifications. So to stop WhatsApp group calls, toggle it on, and that's basically it. So this will silence WhatsApp group calls. Now another method you can do is to mute the group. So click on chat at the bottom, open the group chat, tap the name at the top, and in here scroll down and tap on notifications. Tap on mute notifications under calls. And in here, you can choose 8 hours, 1 week, or always. So choose always, and this won't stop the call itself, but you won't hear it ring anymore. And that's basically it. There's no official way yet to completely block group calls, only without affecting normal calls. So the best combo is mute group plus silence unknown callers. And that's basically it. See you in the next one.